Unraveling the mystery, to be continued. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you've likely seen at the end of movies, TV shows, or even books. To be continued. This phrase packs a lot of meaning and expectation into just 3 words, and understanding it can enrich your grasp of the English language. Let's explore what it means, its usage, and the context in which you might encounter it. Stay tuned. To be continued signifies that the story or discussion is not yet finished and will carry on at another time. This phrase is a promise that more content is coming, whether it be the next chapter of a book, the next episode of a television series, or the sequel to a movie. It builds anticipation and ensures the audience stays engaged, eager to find out what happens next. This phrase is most commonly found in television shows, at the end of an episode, especially if it ends on a cliffhanger, indicating that the story will continue in the next episode. Movies, in films that are part of a series or planned sequels, hinting at the continuation of the story. Books and comics, at the end of chapters or volumes that are part of a larger series. Video games, in episodic games or series, suggesting more content or storylines to follow. The use of "to be continued" plays a crucial role in storytelling. It serves several purposes, creates suspense, it keeps the audience guessing about future developments, encourages loyalty. By promising more content, it motivates the audience to return. Narrative structure. It helps in structuring episodic or serial storytelling, providing a clear break between different parts of a story. If you're a content creator, writer, or storyteller, incorporating "to be continued" can be a powerful tool. Here are some tips. Use it at a natural stopping point where you know there's more to tell. Ensure there's enough interest and engagement in your story before using it. Be ready to deliver on the promise of more content to maintain your audience's trust. And that's where we'll pause for now. But our exploration of the English language is to be continued. I hope this video helps you understand the significance and usage of this intriguing phrase. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now, and remember, the journey of language learning is never truly finished, it's always to be continued.